Hey travel dog lovers! So in today's video we'll be sharing with you the easy steps to packing a truck bed and all the great equipment for a road trip. We just went on a Florida road trip and had to pack only in the truck bed. So here are our best road trip hacks and organization tips for packing only in your truck bed without a cover. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos or uploads, because we have a lot coming to you soon. We just got back, so we're going to be posting all our Florida road trip videos in a playlist, and we'll just keep watching for all the dog-friendly Florida stuff. Make sure you're subscribed, and let's get on with the video where we will share our best kept hack of packing only in the truck bed without a cover. Okay, this is a little behind the scenes of us packing for our Florida road trip, which is coming up next Tuesday. So it's currently Wednesday the 21st. I'm going to do a little haul of everything that I got from Walmart. And for this trip, we are packing in the truck bed in all boxes. So I'm excited to see how we do this, because normally we can put up the back seat in the truck, and we can't this time because there's going to be more of us. 5 people in the truck and or 4 people in the dog. So first up, I did get this snorkel mask from Walmart for $13. I'm hoping this works out. I love how it came in a case, so that's super helpful. And next up, I bought a bunch of toiletries and bug spray and sunscreen and whatnot for the trip. So to start, we got 2 packs of Deep Wood, because again, there is 4 of us and the mosquitoes are going to be very annoying. And then we got a pack of disposable razors, because I like having these for when I travel, and I know you can't, I don't think you can fly in a plane with these, and the rest of our family's flying in, so we got those. We got 30 SPF Hawaiian Tropic, trying to be reef safe. And then we got Pantene, I never say this word, conditioner and shampoo, like doubles of those, because we're going for like a little over a week, like almost 2 weeks. And in this bag we got 4 poofs for everybody, and then I got dry shampoo, and then I got SPF 50 reef safe. And then Dog Dad doesn't believe in reef safe because he got really burnt in Hawaii, so I got him his normal sunscreen, a double pack of that. And then we got more body wash and a double pack of toothpaste. So we're going to get those nice boxes, and we are going to, I'll show you, we have them in the garage. We're gonna get some like the black and yellow utility boxes that you can get from Home Depot, because you can get them cheap there, that we can lock up with zip ties so that the lids won't fly off and stuff. So we're gonna take those, but we gotta go and get more boxes because we need more boxes to pack. And so I'm gonna go put this with the other stuff. So it's those 2 boxes. I still have room in the box on top, I believe. And then everything in here is kitchen stuff that we're taking. We're not taking the whole thing because I'm not bringing all of our kitchen stuff. Since we are going to Key West, we'll probably be eating out mostly, but I think I'm gonna get some snacks and stuff for around camp. I got this so we can, I like how small it packs down, and that way it's easy to dry stuff at camp. And then since we are camping in a tent, we got 3 camp pillows that pack down super nicely. We got 2 more sleeping bags coming hopefully by next Tuesday. And I just bought an Insta360 that's supposed to come today. Crossing my fingers, so excited about that camera and to get some cool new travel shots for y'all. And yeah, just I will catch up with you probably this weekend. Welcome back to our video on packing up our truck for our Florida road trip. We're gonna start by doing laundry, and then I'm going to show you guys what we have so far. It's the 26th and we leave tomorrow. is we're packing in boxes because our truck bed doesn't have a cover, so we have to pack everything in boxes. We got these boxes from Home Depot for like 10 bucks, and I'm gonna label all of them and then make a key so we know what's in what box, so when we get there we're not like, oh my god, where's this and that and whatnot. So I'm gonna put you guys here because I did start, I just don't remember what's in what box, so we're gonna try to keep it organized. So I'm gonna put you here while we figure this out. Okay, that's Miko's sleeping bag. The sleeping pad should probably stay with the other two sleeping bags because just take the stuff that Michael's family needs. So our stuff should go in here and their stuff should go in there. Okay, so we can put 2 pillows in there. I was so panicked about how to pack pillows because I knew they were going to take up the most. And then we were at Academy Sports and I found pillows. They're collapsible, so that's way easier to pack. They're camp pillows, warm cotton flannel on one side and cool polyester on the other. Okay, we're gonna leave this like this because we have sleeping bags coming. Hopefully they'll fit in here with the 2 sleeping pads that are already in here. And then I'm just trying to keep their stuff together. That's all. It's not a big deal if it doesn't fit. Brandy's camp sleeping bed that I got from Chewy, and I can link everything down below too. And then we just get all our sleeping bags from Academy. So here's mine. It's nice because Academy has sleeping bags that are $10. So and then I'm extra and I have to take my special pillow, like my nice neck pillow thing I bought from Amazon, because I can't sleep with any other pillow. So this pillow's for Michael, and I'll pack my pillow tomorrow probably in here. Should I just pack it now and sleep one night without a pillow? Or with another pillow? I don't know. We'll figure it out later. Oh, where's my notebook? So we're camping for 4 nights, so we need towels, but we also, oh my god, my battery's flashing. But we also need, apparently, to wash towels. So I guess I will add that to my, which there are getting to that point here. Okay. Okay, so since we still have to wait for the towels to come out of the washer, we're gonna leave that box open or set aside for now, and we're going to work on the kitchen stuff. So normally we take like our whole kitchen, we take like everything, but I'm just gonna pack snacks this time since we'll be eating out in the Keys, and we'll do like a mini kitchen supply box thing. Okay. Collapsible sink. Ow. We are going to take the propane stove because sometimes I like eating eggs. I feel like that would be good. So we'll take that, and if we want coffee or tea, we'll have a way to make some. This is just like a drying rack thing. We're gonna take a water bottle. Propane, obviously, for the propane stove. feel like I maybe should put in here first. I can always go under the truck seat, so. Oh yeah. Ow, I just stabbed myself. Okay. Bug candle, mosquitoes. No, thank you. Mustard, ketchup, and mayo, because I always forget to pack this, and these are individual packets, so I never forget. Dish soap, plates, and bowls, pots and pan sets. This is a pot. In a second. Little bowls for eggs, which we're a big egg family before we go out on adventure. Flashlights. Tie outline for Brandy, which will probably go in Brandy's bag. Towels. Wine opener. Plasticware and coffee things. Are we running out of forks? Trash bags. Pot holders. This thing I think is dead. Plastic wrap. Another towel. Rubber spatula, if you never know. I don't need this, but pokes me. This has like can opener, knives, and I wish I had a better way to store it, but yeah, that's in here. Multi-tool. I do need a better way. If anyone has a better way to store your like kitchen utensils, like knives and stuff, let me know, because all I got is a plastic bag, which probably isn't the best way, but I don't know what other way to do it. Bringing 2 propanes, just in case. Cups. First aid kit. Which will actually go in the other box. Cutting board. Lanterns. Wine salader funnel, and we will be bringing a wine salader, so I'll probably put one in here. Or that can go in here, because this has koozies and stuff in it. Bottle opener. Pan spray. This is for coffee, but I don't know if I'm going to bring it because that coffee never goes well. Can cooler and hand sanitizer. These are for the lantern, which will go in the other box. I guess that can go in here. Okay, so we have bug spray. Sunscreen, sunscreen, sunscreen. Maybe we'll just keep it all in a bag. Yeah. Keep everything together. A bug spray, sunscreen, in this bag. Birthday kit, lighter thing. Oh, that's also why we need the propane for the lantern. Dog tie out leash. And then we can put snacks in here. Update. This box has snacks, beach towels, snorkel gear because it wouldn't all fit in this box. Brady's little tent thing, or that's a pop-up kennel. The Rumple mat. This one has the kitchen supplies, which I feel like I am overpacking, but it's okay. This one has the that blue thing is a hammock raft, my snorkel, and an extra snorkel. I need to pack my wetsuit, which I might just pack in my own bag, my camping bag, I guess. That is gonna go in a grocery bag in the back because that won't fit in the box. Those are the other two boxes with the sleeping bags and pillows. Yeah, we're pretty good. We're just waiting on towels, and I think it's time for a lunch break. Okay, we had lunch, had a little break, and now we're going outside to wash the coolers because they're very dirty. They need washed. Come on, Brian. This one's not too bad. This one is very dirty. We're gonna clean them. Okay, coolers are much more clean. Coolers are much more clean. Now we're gonna let them dry. I don't remember where I left off. So this is me checking in. It's much later. I think I was doing laundry and waiting for the sleeping bags to come, which never came, and they're not coming in time, but that's okay. We're gonna stop at Academy Sports in Florida and pick some up on the way there that have them in stock, and then we're going to return the ones that come here late. But this is what we have so far, so I'm gonna flip you around and give you a little tour, I guess. Okay. So these are sleeping pads. These cases are waterproof, thank God. This is a memory foam pad to go on top of the other sleeping pads. So this is much more comfortable. And my duffel bag for camping. That's the propane stove. We got all but the boxes. That is gonna have to go in a bag. Michael still has to pack because this stuff's in the laundry. Brandy is all packed, and oh my gosh, I almost forgot her vest. She knows something's going on. She's like, what's going on? And then we're gonna start packing all of this up. Hopefully it fits. Fingers crossed. Update, I haven't updated you since last night. It was kind of crazy and I was getting tired and achy, but we got it all to fit. Basically, there's some stuff in the cab, but by the time that has to go in the back, most of it will be empty and we won't have duffel bags anymore. But it all fit. Good.